Now we're going to create it. Going to format this all over. Now we're going to do the following. Okay, we're going to get here. This is the table basically that we're going to use for our report. I'm gonna give some color here to make you understand. Okay, so these are the values that we're going to display in our chart. Here we're gonna type title. Okay, and here I'm gonna type the title. I'm gonna type this one, sales in which region by product. Okay, sales in by product, and here I put date here. So the val region picked and the val here picked. So here, okay. Now we're going to do the following. So here I'm going to display this value, okay, if this is equal to this. So is equal to this one. I'm going to display this. Otherwise, I will display not applicable, which is the NA function. Okay, but if I want to copy this also on the other ones, I have to first of all fix. I want this to be, the region has to be fixed. Okay, so the region is only one cell, which is defined by one column and one row, which is C and 5. But here, this one, so I'm gonna do this. I can then do as it is. Huh? That's very good, because if I'm going to type here south, it's for the origin. So we're going to like this. Then we are going to input this highlighted. So we're going to basically, if this one is equal to okay, then I get from an intersection in this array in a position that is going to match this region in this region. Match type is exact match. Otherwise, I'm going to display the not applicable function. So we need to close this here. Yes, I did very early. So you can see here now I'm gonna drag this, but I have to fix the region. So the region here at the top are fixed. Okay, and the products also are fixed. So I'm going to fix only the here the column. I'm gonna drag this down. And you can see that I have this switch is highlighted because it's this one. So this is going to be my table. Okay, these are the values of my table. So now I am ready to create my table. I'm going to show you in the next video.